way to San Carlos to Vista Mar Marina to give Maria a hand with a couple of her last projects that we need to finish before we head down to Ecuador. Karl is by himself on the mooring. I hope he's gonna be fine. I'm gonna ask Eric to take a look at him. Simon is driving. We are only a tiny little bit hungover because we had a little bit of a Splash and Karl celebration yesterday with the guys from Yard. Had a really good barbecue and a couple of too many cold beers, I think. So you came down to be abused by all the different boat owners to do boat work? Yeah. See, this is what happens when you come to visit people on boats. They put you to work. Work, 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 always work. But it's a nice and sunny day, so I think it's gonna be nice actually to go in the water. Hey?
I've got my minions!
Top. So let's see how the crew is doing. I have them under the bottom, cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Let's see who's working and who's not.
Like 5 times.
Oh, go figure.
As
As
I'm not sure if I've done it
just
or
hanging out, chilling.
Cheerio!
Guys are taking a break. They've been down there hard, hard, hard.
It's the Karl crew back again!
So the old chain, this is like a little bit of the old chain and it's fairly bad. The new chain is really nice, but this guy still sits in a chain locker, so Maria told me to put some varnish on it to thin it down. What? Another hole?
A little hole, open up.
Usually when you do boat jobs, then you need a lot of stuff like for paint containers or just covering stuff, and it's a good, you know, you produce a lot of trash, but it's a good way of recycling as well, because there's tons of stuff on boats that you can use for paint containers. Don't buy any plastic stuff because you already have a lot in your boat. You know, these are all beer carts that we're recycling, and the other one is like a little milk cart. Works perfectly. Exciting, Maria's letting me weld. So cool. I hope I'm not gonna fuck it up. I did once weld a tiny little bit on her railing, but that was quite a while ago. So you see my welds, you see that fingertip technique I'm talking about? See their little slits? In that weld there you can see sort of, yeah, there's lines inside of it. That's where you've come down and moved.
Yeah.
That's how it starts to look.
Yeah.
Woo!
Poland, right? I found this welder. They came right all the way from Balboa to do my welding. Whoa!
This time I could see the pool a little
For
better.
your second time, that's pretty good. Oh, freaking perfect. Let me see that. Look at that. The little one on the right? The last one, right?
This one?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
this
nice,
one
clean.
looks
It's a good size.
It looks
Your layers are nice, like your little lines.
yeah.
That looks good.
Cheerio, guys. Long distance. Full house tonight. We've got a ton of friends over, and I'm making a German dish, Spätzle. I'm gonna do the Spätzle fresh, so I made a little dough here. And then I'm gonna use this. It's not the professional setup, but it'll work. I'm gonna use this little cutting board and this scraper. It's not the same one that we used today for the barnacles. To put this stuff into this guy. It's a bit of a trial. I did it once before, but this time I put some more stuff into it. And you always have to test if the dough is actually good. Look at that, I'm getting the band sick up here. Maria's gonna give the German food a trial. How do you say it?
Spätzle.
Very good. Very good. Okay, the water's boiling.
I think she's being really generous.
We already have some. Keep them nice and thin.
Yeah.
We're done with the projects that we wanted to do on Joana, so now we're gonna head back to Karl and try to clear up the interior a little bit so we can finally cast off. But more about that next week. That's like my weld today. That's like my fatty weld.
This one is not so bad.
Yeah, that one is really pretty.
Yeah.